Hi, I'm Tammy. So I'm going to make a white Russian. So this video is for a subscriber, Bustasan. He asked me to make a couple creamy drinks, so making a creamy drink. This drink I'm altering. I'm making it my style. So it normally uses Kahlua. We're not using Kahlua, we're using Mr. Black. I like Mr. Black. If you watch my videos, you'll see that I use it in a lot of different types of drinks that normally people would use Kahlua, and I add it to drinks that normally wouldn't have any kind of coffee liqueur. I add it in there because I really like it. It's delicious, and I think you should try it. So I'm also substituting heavy cream for half and half because I think it tastes better. All right, anybody that watched my video knows I love Deep Eddy vodka. All the vodkas. I think Deep Eddy tastes the best. I just love it. Deep Eddy's great. If you haven't tried it, I really suggest you give it a try. They make different flavors. I will be doing some videos using the lemonade and also the grapefruit, but today is just plain. So we're going to go ahead and use 2 shots of Deep Eddy vodka. And then a shot of Mr. Black. And this Mr. Black coffee liqueur is delicious. And then we're going to top it off with this half and half. And I want that to just kind of ooze down there. I think I'm going to give it a little bit of a spin. Not much. There we go. A little bit more. All right. So the drink is really done. However, I think it looks a little boring. It's going to taste great, but we want to dress it up because I want all my drinks to look really pretty. I want them to look as good as they taste. So we're going to dress this up a little bit. So get your little bar spoon. Grab a hold of your Mr. Black the best you can. And you're going to just kind of drizzle over the top. Let it kind of seep down. So you're just drizzling it. You're not really using a whole lot because you're just drizzling it over the top and you're letting it seep down through the sides, kind of over the top, just to make it look a little bit more interesting. All right, we're going to take a little bit of these dirty cherries. Let them go in there too. And this dirty cherry juice is really great. Also, if you just want to put it over the top. All right, so I'm going to give this guy a try. This was a really famous drink back in the 50s. It was like, I don't know if you watched the show Mad Men, but it's really popular on that show, so it was like a guy's drink. Oh, it's super good, though. Now I know why they liked it on Mad Men. It's really good. What's that character? Can't remember him. This is all he would drink in that show. So you can taste the coffee. It has a, it almost tastes like a really good coffee from Starbucks or from Pete's, but with a kick. So I hope you subscribe. And if there's any drinks that you want me to do, just leave it in the comments.